What up world, it's Russ Tafari and I'm just doing a video test of this Canon Powershot A2300 that I just got, and I want to see if it takes better video than my Kodak Zi8 camera that I've been using for a long time now, and I'm just comparing the two. So, you know, this is just a little video test. And here I am with the Kodak Zi8 for the comparison. Let's see which one looks better. Okay, I just reviewed both videos and I must say the Kodak Zi8 wins. This shit is like crispy as fuck. But the Powershot A2300 fail. Definitely fail on the video front. But on the picture front, the Canon definitely wins on that shit. But you know, I got one for the video, one for the pictures. That's what's up. Check me out, Russ Tafari, russtafari.com. Peace.